The graduates trained at the State Skill Acquisition Center, Oka, had undergone intensive skill programs in different small and medium-scale areas, including food and nutrition, tailoring, computer education, arts and crafts, and hairdressing and cosmetology. On display were products by the graduates and evidence of how far they had come in the over 8 months of practical learning in the school. Addressing the people, Governor Obiano, represented by his wife, Chief Mrs. Obiano, restated the relevance of practical knowledge and said that the emergence of CAFE, her social intervention scheme, has expedited the model of entrepreneurial independence amongst the youths of the state. He restated that the skill acquisition and empowerment ventures could also be accessed by those who are not from the state but have shown deep passion for self-development and growth.
When the government of Chief Dr. Obiano took office, a lot of things changed for the better. First and most important was that of security of lives and properties. And of course, when you secure lives, you also do the needful for the lives. Because they live in eat, they live in work to sustain themselves.
Earlier, while welcoming the governor, the Commissioner for Social Welfare, Children and Women Affairs, Lady Ndidi, said the event was historic in the quest of the state government to build a legacy in the number of persons that have been lifted out of poverty, and cited Chief Mrs. Obiano's immense compassion for the indigent as an immediate solution to humanity's tribulations.
We feel highly esteemed and honored by Your Excellency's presence, as this marks another step towards your effort in equipping as many indigent women and youth as possible with skills of employability, self-reliance, and entrepreneurship in the state.
On his part, the Commissioner for Youth Empowerment and Creative Economy, Mr. Bonaventure Enemale, said the economic value of the skill acquisition program remains huge to Anambra State and called for a sustained drive to its reach.
You've trained over 4,000 people, 4,000 youth, inclusive of the women that have been trained so far. What that implies is that approximately 10,000 people have been lifted out of poverty in Anambra State.
The principal of the Skill Acquisition Center, Lady Amoyibo Ogunwa, urged the graduates to reciprocate the dividends with commitment and diligent use of the resources. Some of the graduates, including Chinenye Joseph, who got a brand new sewing machine and cash for her tailoring business, Ngozi Oyawune, who was presented with a gas oven cooker for her food and nutrition enterprise, and Mary Ann Ozemena, who received a hair dryer for her hairdressing business, said the governor has given them a launch pad for success and pledged to make fruitful use of the kits and the money. In Oka, Daniel Ezigwe, ABS News.